Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni thaganitie Ndereti iria itanyitwo gutemania mbunge-ini ya gibũrũri niguo kuheana mutaratara wa utungata wa ugima wa mwiri kuri mwingi-ini mathibitari ngiri 14 guothe bũrũri-ini.
Bill turambiriria kwandika iretwa quality of care, na quality of care ni maundu aria marathi na mbere thiini wa mathibitari kana thiini wa health facilities iria tunacio dispensaries, either thiini wa private, public kana ona faith-based institutions.
wa Ndereti ino ni guthurima ikiro cia mathibitari na utungata uria mangihota kuheana kuri arwaru.
Uria turauga ni ati bill ino ni kubota kutu guide kumenya ati madagitari kana health human resource for health iria i health facility A kana B ni qualified kana te qualified.
Akiaria ari mwena wa gicigo Kirinyaga, Muthoni ni augite kuri ona mathibitari matari na indo nginyaniru cia kuheana utungata kuri muingi, na uguo kuhetukira Ndereti ino ni guteithia hari kunyihia mathina maya kuri mathibitari.
Kuna mathibitari mangi matakinyitie bau, koguo what is the quality ya mathibitari ya equipment iria ithibitari. Oho
ni augite ati ni magukorwo makiambika mihango ya wandikithia wa muingi mutaratara-ini wa kugunika na kigina kia SHIF niguo kuma
God willing, we will be able to start the registration process of the social health insurance. It is good for Kenyans, it is good for all of us.
Muthoni oho agitetera mubango uyu akiuga ati aria matagakorwo na uhoti wa kwirugamirira hari kurihaga muigana wa ciringi 300 hari o mweri cia kigina giki. Thirikari iri na mutaratara wa kumatambura niguo kumarihagira gutari ugukungia wara.
The government has a way of getting to know the economic status of each and every individual in the country. And scientifically, we will be able to tell that you can afford 300 shillings or you may not afford. If you cannot afford, then the government will cater for you.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, njitagwo Mwangi wa Njuguna.